Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the concept of orthogonal cutting. So before going to start this topic, let us discuss about the orthogonal cutting. So we can say that orthogonal cutting is a form of cutting in which the cutting edge of tool is perpendicular to the direction of a tool motion. So cutting tool should be is perpendicular to the direction of a tool motion. So we can say that it is a orthogonal cutting. It will be make a 90-degree to the axis of the tool motion. So in the orthogonal cutting, the direction of flow of chip is perpendicular to the direction of movement of cutting edge. In this cutting, the chip flow is in the direction normal to the cutting edge. So these are the main function or main feature of the concept of the orthogonal cutting. We can see from the figure here. You can observe that the cutting tool, workpiece and the chip. Here the cutting tool, workpiece and the chip are perpendicular to each other. So the direction of the cutting tool motion is along the direction of the tool motion. Okay. So further, if we are observing from this figure, you can see that there is various parts that are cutting to each other and cutting the workpiece. The tool is cutting the workpiece. Here the deck angle is denoted by alpha. Secondary, this is the secondary shear zone, and this is the clearance or relief angle, है ना? So these are the individual angle when the workpiece is cutting by the cutting tool. So some angle is forming from the surface of the cutting tool, and it is the chip that will be removed from the workpiece after when the tool is moving upon the or on the workpiece. So the chip will be formed and it will be removed from the surface. And this is the primary shear zone, and this is the shear angle. This angle is phi, known as the shear angle. This is the velocity of the workpiece and the tool, and h is the distance, height of this uh, portion, a to b, and this is the distance of the workpiece to the tool. And you can say that, see that from figure, this is the clearance or relief angle between the tool and the workpiece. So these are the individual portion where you can easily observe that the angles, their their zones, and their primary zones chip formation in this figure, right? So further, we can see that the concept of the oblique cutting, 3D cutting. You can say that concept of the oblique cutting, and the you can also that this is the 3D cutting, right? So it is a type of cutting. It is a type of cutting in which cutting tool is at an oblique angle. Means it should be 90-degree to the direction of a tool motion. To the direction of tool motion. So in oblique cutting, the direction of flow of chip is not perpendicular. It should be not perpendicular or inclined to the direction of movement of the cutting edge. आपका ये जो फ्लो ऑफ चिप होगा वो क्या होगा, 90 डिग्री के एज पे नहीं होगा और ये इंक्लाइंड होना चाहिए. तो आपका जो है कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द ऑब्लिक कटिंग का ये केस होगा. ठीक. So we can further discuss about this oblique cutting. So it is another type of cutting in which the cutting edge of wedge shape cutting tool make an angle other than 90 degree. Other than 90 degree means it should be not perpendicular to the direction of motion, direction of tool motion. It is also known as 3D cutting because it is also known as 3D cutting. Why? Because the cutting force जो आपका होगा, it will be developed during cutting cannot be present by 2D coordinates or using 3D coordinate to present. यहाँ पे हमें 2D coordinate से present नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसलिए हम लोग इसको 3D cutting बोलते हैं. So this angle is called inclination angle or angle of obliquity. Obliquity. So this is the basic concept of the orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting. So in this study we were discussed about the oblique cutting and orthogonal cutting. So from the figure you can observe that, you can see that the tool is not perpendicular to the workpiece and chip is forming. So this is the chip, this is the workpiece, this is the cutting direction and cutting edge angle. So you can easily observe from this figure. Now what is the effect of cutting? What is the effect of cutting? So we can say that chip flow deviates from orthogonal plane. Chip will be flow and it will be deviate from the orthogonal plane. Next effect is effect transverse from irrespective of phi. है ना? Next one is the effect effective break. Hence force will be applied and it will affect cross section and its shape. And the force analysis become complex. इसमें जो force लगेगा वो complex होगा and it will affect the tool life. These are the main effect of the oblique cutting. इसमें आपका chip जो होगा flow होगा वो deviate होगा from the orthogonal plane से. आपका जो transverse force होगा respective होगा of phi के along and effective drag because of the force. आपका जो चिप क्रॉस सेक्शन एंड शेप है वो भी अफेक्ट होगा और इसमें फोर्स एनालिसिस काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा और जो है अफेक्ट टूल, इट विल अफेक्ट द टूल लाइफ आपका कम हो जाएगा इससे. दीज आर द मेजर disadvantage you can see the effect of the cutting, oblique cutting, right? Now further, if we would like to differentiate between the orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting, so in the tabular form we can easily observe about the orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting. So first of all, you can see in this column the cutting tool of the cutting edge of the tool is perpendicular to the cutting velocity factor. हमने जस्ट अभी देखा फिगर में कि हमारा जो कटिंग एज होगा टूल का वो क्या होगा, परपेंडिकुलर होगा कटिंग वेलोसिटी फैक्टर के. और ऑब्लिक कटिंग में क्या होगा, द कटिंग एज इज इंक्लाइंड एट एन एंगल विथ द करंट वेलोसिटी फैक्टर, है ना, इसमें आपका इंक्लाइंड होगा. दीज आर द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ऑर्थोगोनल कटिंग एंड द ऑब्लिक कटिंग, राइट. Now the second difference is the cutting edge clears the width of the workpiece on either ends. Cutting edge clear होगा आपका to the work width of the workpiece में और किसी भी end पे. और next जो आपका है जो the cutting edge may not clear, इसमें clear edge होगा लेकिन oblique cutting में it may not be clear, the width of the workpiece on either ends. So these are the second major advantage disadvantage difference between the orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting. Next one is the chip flow over tool face. The chip will be flow over the tool face के ऊपर से chip flow करेगा. लेकिन in the chip in this case oblique cutting में आपका जो होगा the chip flow on the tool face, it will be over the tool face, you can observe this, and in this on the tool face. Next difference is only two component of the cutting forces are acting on the tool. And in this case only three component, इसमें two component आपका act करेगा of the cutting forces are acting on the tool. यहाँ पर two component है आपका और इस केस में only three component of the cutting forces are acting on the tool, right. tool is perfectly sharp. इसमें orthogonal cutting में आपका जो tool होगा बहुत ही sharp होगा, perfectly sharp होगा, and it is not perfectly sharp, right. And the next difference is the tool contact the chip on deck face only. Here the tool will be contact the chip on the deck face, but in that case the tool may not generate a surface parallel to the workpiece, right. Next one is the relatively short tool life. In the orthogonal cutting the tool life will be very short, but in the longer orthogonal or oblique cutting the tool life will be longer. Next difference you can see that only one cutting edge in this section. In the orthogonal cutting and in the oblique cutting there is more than one cutting edge are in the action. So we can easily differentiate with this table between the orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting. Now from this figure you can easily observe that between the orthogonal cutting and between the oblique cutting. So you can see that from this figure. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका जो कटिंग टूल है वो परपेंडिकुलर टू द वर्कपीस है ना, जिसका नाइफ है ये परपेंडिकुलर टू द वर्कपीस है और यहाँ पे ये फीड रेट आपका, ये डेक एंगल है. So this is the depth of the cut. Similarly From the second figure, we can observe that this is the workpiece and the cutting tool is making some angle. It will not, it will be other than 90 degree. यहाँ पे आपका 60 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है with the cutting tool and the workpiece, and this is the feed and this is the rake. So these are the major disadvantage. This is major difference between the this is the major difference between the oblique cutting and orthogonal cutting. So I hope that you all have understood the content of the today lecture, that was the oblique cutting and orthogonal cutting. So in the next lecture we will continue with the remaining topic, next topic. Okay, thank you so much.